Stop the FOMO! Unless you have a fear of missing out on this, what you're looking at is Awol's first flagship projector in 3 years. And having made the switch from TVs to ultra short through projectors, let me tell you, I am so impressed, and here's why. It's not just one product that Awol is releasing, but 4. Check it out. The Aetherion Max projector and this 130-inch screen. Look how much bigger it is in front of my 98-inch TV. Absolutely awesome. And Awol Vision partnered with me to provide early access so I can give you a first look at the Aetherion Max cinema system. Gaming is not going to be a problem. You're going to see Dolby Vision gaming. That's why we have the Xbox for you guys to check out. Yes, that checkbox is legit. We're going to play Gears 5 on the Xbox so you guys can see how Dolby Vision gaming looks on this projector. But the Aetherion Max is definitely flagship level. We're talking 1 millisecond latency. Behind this screen is what many people would describe as an extra large TV, 98 inches to be exact. But now that Awol has released its 130-inch screen, we're talking about a huge jump in immersion. Without changing my viewing distance, scenes are more lifelike without being soft. Wide-angle shots feel more immersive, and I'm one step closer to that IMAX experience we all love. 8 feet from 130 inches means you're not watching content anymore. You're inside it. And what impressed me most is how the 4K image projected by the Aetherion Max holds together sharply at this scale and size. Again, 8 feet from 130 inches, right? I am sitting closer just to make sure I can see if there's any softness, and I cannot. Color feels natural, skin tones organic, filmmaker mode is exactly as I expected. Clarity is the priority here. Fine details stay intact edge to edge. Text is crisp. Subtitles are razor clean. Small UI elements don't soften or smear even at this size. This doesn't feel like artificial sharpness or edge enhancement, just a clear image, properly resolved. The Aetherion Max shines in shadow detail, visible without crushing any information or feeling washed out. You can see the separation in dark clothing, and Awol really has dialed it in here. Animated content pops without looking exaggerated, and it supports anti-rainbow effect in both 2D and 3D. Regardless of content, old TV shows, or fast-moving sports, this is next level. And of course, ambient light, daytime viewing is also a thing. With this ALR screen, you can have ambient lights as you see here, no problem. But gaming was the part I didn't expect to enjoy so much. 4K textures were sharp, and the dark scenes aren't muddy. Yes, Dolby Vision gaming is a thing with the Aetherion Max. I'm playing Gears 5 on the Xbox Series X and everything just works. Motion feels smooth and responsive. Why? Latency is only 1 millisecond. You don't think about the projector settings anymore, you are just in the game. Moving on to my PlayStation 5, I have Black Myth Wukong, and this is exactly the kind of game that exposes the display's weaknesses between fast action, shadow detail, and HDR impact. This projector pulls it all together. And last but not least, the audio system. And it fills up this large theater room. And the dual subs just add enough weight. Surround effects are definitely immersive to make movies and games feel the punch without overwhelming this giant room. Let's talk about the ease of setup, because this is where all the ultra short throw projectors test my patience. This cabinet holds both the projector and the motorized screen, perfectly aligned, and that matters more than people realize. Anyone who's set up an ultra short throw projector knows the routine. Sliding the projector a millimeter forward, nudging it back, re-leveling the feet, repeating the process over and over. Now let's get real. When viewers ask me whether a projector like the Aetherion Max can replace a TV, I say, let's put it this way. What are your alternatives today? A 115-inch to 130-inch TV, they're expensive, but let's put the expense aside. They're massively heavy. We're talking around 150 pounds, maybe more, hanging on your wall. The logistics, the installation, the experts to do it, not easy. And then once it's hung up, 8 months later, you need to move it over 6 inches to the left or to the right because you got new furniture? Not happening with that giant TV. So Aetherion took a very different approach. They focused on flexibility and convenience. You can move it back, move it forth, push it around. That's what I did. But I know, what about the image quality difference? So here are things that we'll have to acknowledge. A TV has better contrast in a brighter room, and a TV can get brighter. However, LCD TVs, they're going to show some blooming that is not on this projector. But I also don't believe this projector really competes with TVs, because there is a place for your TV in the den, in your bedroom, in the kitchen. However, when you're watching cinema, we're talking cinema experience, really 130 inches, 200 inches, 3D, the only way to go is a projector system. When I say system, this cabinet pulls it all together. The cabinet where you have the projector right here, and then you have the screen placed perfectly, right from the rear of the projector, right here, to the screen, 11 inches, boom, it's ready to go. After setting up my fair share of projectors and screens over the last 2 years, I cannot tell you how much easier it is to have a cabinet that pulls it all together. Everything is aligned, the distance is ready to go, and that's not all. Check out the matching audio system as well. Remember, 4 pieces, the projector, the screen, the cabinet, and this all-in-one audio system. We have to start with what is my favorite part of the system right here. This 2-piece subwoofer, right? This is a legit subwoofer. Now, there are matching silver stands that go with this. I just happen to have black ones, and it matches the cabinet, but you can get silver ones. The Aetherion Max is Awol's next big hit. I'm calling it a winner because for the first time, we have a finished system. For only $21.99, you can get this Aetherion Max Ultra Short Throw Laser Projector when it goes live on Kickstarter February 10th. The link is in the video description below.